What's up, meatheads? We got you some content finally. We got some parts for the bike. I'm talking really good stuff. Look at that. Rogue Rider Industries signals. And then the big prize. Oh. Yeah. Bam. We finally got some parts after the holidays and spending all kinds of money on other people. We finally were able to invest in some parts for the bike. Yeah, cross-thread cycles, mini floorboards in the back, cross-thread cycles, bagger floorboards. I haven't even actually opened these yet. I did open up the whole packages just to be sure that I got everything that I ordered and that it was all correct, but this will be my first time with the hands-on with these things. Oh, look at that. God damn. Those look sweet. Those pegs, those little spikes are going to be so much better than stock floorboards. I find that with the boots that I wear, they don't have a lot of tread in them. So when I'm getting riding for a while, those smooth boards, my feet like to slowly start sliding back. This is the second set. This all I don't even have the hardware is just literally there. Oh, that's gonna be a super easy install, honestly. God damn. I'm glad I went with red. I was debating what color I wanted to go with, but I have always been a black and red person. So, talk about good packaging too. Huge shout out to Cross-Thread Cycles. Look at those. Those look great. I'm gonna leave the mini boards for the passenger side in the container because there's no reason to take them out. But mini boards for the passenger for my wife when she's riding. It comes with replacement studs on there. Nice. And these are the Clevis mounts. Pretty straightforward. Gonna be a nice easy install on those. But those look super awesome. And then obviously I decided to go with some Rogue Rider Industries turn signals. Last spring, my rear turn signals, I think they were custom dynamics. They went out. My wife and I were riding up to go camping, and she was behind me, and she said my one turn signal was out. And since then, I just been running incandescents. So I decided finally to get some new turn signals. And I'll be honest, Rogue Rider Industries really does a hell of a job making their product look really nice. Yeah, like look at that. Nicely packaged in there. The cords, or the wires I should say, are heat shrunk on there. There's overall a really nice quality LED. I'm interested to see how bright these are in comparison not only to the incandescent lights but also to the custom dynamics ones, because I'm actually going to replace the front ones as well and just do a whole Rogue Rider Industry swap around the bike. Shouldn't be anything different for the front than the rear, to be honest. Instructions like normal. We're here for you. If you don't know what kind of bulbs you need, this is what references. Yeah, straightforward, nice and easy. Nonetheless, guys, I want to make a quick little video showing you guys what's going to come in the future. I'm going to be excited to make videos installing these. Hopefully I've just put these back on the right ones, but we'll find out, I guess. I'm pretty sure I did the rears first and then the fronts. But yeah, look at that. That quality is just immaculate. Huge shout out to Cross-Thread Cycles. I mean, you guys did take my money. I didn't get these for free, but god dang, you didn't have to go that hard on that. Yeah, so I wanted to give you guys a quick little video breaking down some parts that we finally got for the bike. I'm really excited to get these on, and those are going to be an easy install. I want to really compare how these look in comparison not only to incandescent but also to the custom dynamics ones in the front, just because everybody's got their LED light that they like to run, but I'm really interested in those. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little parts reveal, and hopefully you guys stick around to see what the future looks like for the bike. These are really going to change the way the bike looks and handles, I guarantee it, just because these are lighter billet aluminum versus whatever, like steel or whatever the stock boards are. Plus, I mean, look at that. I have all kinds of grip on my boots with those. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you around, and hopefully you can stick around to see these get installed on the bike. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it. Bye.